So let's start with our course schedule as mentioned below. Now here's the index of the page. What are the table of contents? What we'll be learning over here, like HTML structure and layout, HTML tags explained, like headline tags or header tags. You may call it header tags, paragraph tags, line break tags, horizontal or alignment of contents, like you are aligning your contents in the central position or in the extreme left position or right position. So what will you do in case of those specifications? And then we will be knowing everything about listings, the ordered list, different list styles on ordered list, unordered list, etc., the structure, and of course all comes with the example here. And of course nesting of list elements. First of all, you are creating a list element and then you are creating nesting of list elements. Then we will be knowing about introducing table elements in HTML, like table row, table column, setting attributes of table, cell padding, cell spacing, blah blah blah, those sort of things, insertion of text, setting alignments, nesting of tables, like you are trying to create a table into another one, into an existing table. So these sort of things will be discussed in this ebook. Insertion of images into tables. You have to know how to insert images and how to keep them properly aligned. Suppose that there is an image and you are trying to align that image into the middle of the page, then what you have to do there? What should you do there? Like taking a table and you are creating a column in between, and then you are placing that particular image into that table. HTML text formatting. This is a very vital part. That means you are just now styling your text and font tags, and you are trying to do something better out of those default colors. Like in case of HTML, you have seen the default page color is white while the default font color is black. But now if you want to stylize those things, like you want your font to be appearing in a yellow color and your page appearing into a display appearing into a red colored display, so all you have to do those things, you have to make some amendments there. You have to make some specific styling properties, like your text, they will be coming under a bold option, or that will be underlined, or that will be italics in nature, or that will be superscript, subscript headings. Those sort of things will be discussed here mainly. Of course, the marquee tags. In many cases, you will be seeing that some text, it is just moving to and fro from left to right, or the first thing that it moves to left and then comes back to right, and this process going on alternatively. So all those sort of things, those things are known as the marquee tag. So marquee tag is one of the most important key feature of HTML, and we will be discussing about the marquee behavior, marquee scroll amount, direction, slide delay, scroll delay, etc. So all of these things, those things will be discussed, and those discussion will be based upon some practical implementation and some practical application. Hyperlinks on text and images, like linking a text or linking an image, or setting hyperlink target attributes. So this thing means that where you want your hyperlinked text or image or document is opening up, into the same document or same window you are working on, or into a different document you want to appear. Like in case any kind of links that are coming under your Gmail account, that are coming into your Gmail account, when you click on those links, those are opening into a different tag. So actually there is a specific command that lets that window to stay as it is, and opening the hypertext documents into a new document, into a new window, or into a new tab actually. So these sort of things, these sort of tips and this sort of tricks and funs will be discussed over there. Then comes the most vital part of the HTML element, and it is the HTML form element. You may have witnessed in many sites, like you are signing into a Facebook, or you are signing into Google, where you will be witnessing that this form elements that a form element is coming to you. All you have to do is to insert your username and password, and then you have to press sign in, and then you are entering into a particular dashboard. So apart from that part, that means the entering into another part, jumping into another part, you are going into dashboard and doing some stuff, some things. You are chatting on Facebook, or you are just sending some emails to your colleagues into Gmail account. All those things are apart. All those things comes under programming section that won't be discussed here. But in this case, we will be concerning about how to create those form elements and how to make them appear into your web page. So this is the HTML form elements. Then we'll be knowing about some element segment like block element, inline elements, div elements, those sort of things, and of course the next session key features.